Hello, let's do the New York Times Hard Sudoku for January 9th, 2025. There's a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. I have this 3 here. In this box, that puts 3 in one of these two cells, which points down along with this 3. This 3 looks in as well, putting a 3 in one of these two. Okay, in here, the 3 is in these 3. It doesn't help as much. All right, we've got 1. Doesn't seem to do anything. We've got 2 5s here. Puts a 5 in here. We also have 2 5s here, putting a 5 in one of these two. Now I'm always going to be looking. Yeah, okay, I actually see it. When I marked these 3s, I didn't have to look because I had this 3 here already. But when I mark these 5s, I don't have any 5s in these 2 boxes. So I don't have any 5s placed in this band at all. So when that happens, what I do is I check the other 2 boxes. This is what I'm trying to train myself to do. I do miss it. At least 1 per puzzle, probably, if not way more. But this time I did catch it. So what we're looking for is whether either of these 2 boxes also has the 5 limited to the same 2 rows. So in this case, rows 7 and 8. And you can see in this box here, we have this 5 looking down, which limits 5 to this set of cells, which are in only rows 7, 8. So the question we want to ask is, where does the 5 go in row 9? And, well, it's not in this box and it's not in this box. So basically, it's in the row that's not accounted for. We've accounted for where the 5 is in row 7, 8. We don't know where the 5 is in row 9. This is the only place for it. So we can place that 5. And you can see that directly. You can see this 5C's here, this 5C's here, and this 5C's here. This is just a technique to recognize that, because this can be very difficult to find otherwise. So that's quite handy. And so just looking at 5s just to see if there was more we could do with them, I do see that they're limited there. But otherwise, I'm not seeing anything else to follow up with 5s. All right, now we'll do 6. Well, this 6 looking up on its own is putting a 6 in one of these two. That points down with this 6, putting a 6 in one of these two. I'm just going to really quickly, this is down to 3 digits. I'm going to quickly think about what they are. Yeah, we definitely need 1 and 6 in a row. What's the other one? Just so I know, 1, 2, and 6. And I can see that this 1, 6 looks down. So this is a 2. And then this is a 1, 6 pair. All right. Glad I thought to follow up on that, because I just realized that this row is very restricted. Okay. Let's come back up here. So I was working on the 6. I think I got what I needed out of that. Or what I could get out of that. The 7s. It does put a 7 in one of these two. And again, we don't have to scan it because we already have 1 7 in the band. All right. This 4 looking up into here. Oh, I was going to say 4 and 7, but there's already a 7 in the box. So just the 4 looking up into here puts a 4 in one of these two. This is going to be down to 3 digits at most, and actually it's not 8, so 2 digits at most. Because why do I know that? Well, there's 4 givens and 2 corner marks in the box, none of them touching the cell. That's 6 digits that it isn't already, so there's 3 digits left, and then I see that it also can't be 8. So this is going to be worth center marking. So it could be 2 or 9, it looks like. Okay. That's just a nice little short. I'm trying to point out nice little shorthands to recognize things about the puzzle that'll be interesting. So that you focus on the most interesting things, which will both speed up your solves, make them more fun, make them more efficient, all that good stuff. Oh, something I didn't notice, which I should have, is when I marked these 6s, I didn't notice we also had this 4 in the column that helps. And so what we could just leave this as corner marked 4, corner marked 6, but this is another thing you can recognize that the corner marks help you with, is that we have now created a hidden 4-6 pair in the box. What do I mean by that? Well, one of these digits is 4 and one of these digits is 6. That's what the corner marks are telling us. And so there's no room for any other digits in those cells because one's 4 and one's 6. There's only 2 cells. And so we can replace those with center marks, and anything else we thought could go in these cells has been removed. So for example, this 3 looking in here now it can't actually be in this cell because it has to be 4 or 6. So 3 is in one of these two, which is going to point down along with this 3, putting a 3 in one of these two. Not only is this column down to 4 digits, but 3s are marked here, 6s are marked here, meaning every single cell is going to have an elimination. No 6s here, no 3 here. So we're going to just take a look at, we're going to fill out the column. That's what we're going to do. So 1, 3, 4, and 6 looks like is what's left. This can't be the 3 or 4. We knew these couldn't be 6, and this can't be the 4. Nice. That makes a 1-6 pair. So this is a 3-4 hidden pair. Yeah, we could have seen that with geometry as well. This 3-4 took 3, 4 out of these two cells, leaving it only in these two, a hidden pair. But actually, if you think about it, that means that the 4 is only here in the column, because this 4 tells us it's not there. So that's our 4, that's our 3. Could have also gotten that just by applying the naked 1-6 pair as well. Either way is fine. I just like to point out different ways you could have spotted something, which can often be helpful. This is just a triple. This is 1, 3, 9. So that removes 1, 3, and 9 from the whole column. So the 9s can't be here, putting the 9 in one of these two. And the 1s join it. Yeah, so this is a hidden 1-9 pair. 1 and 9 can't be here, so 1 and 9 are here. That means this can't actually be 5, placing the 5 in the box, and our last digit is a 2. If you don't know why this can't be a 5, think about how I did the 4, 6. The 1, 9 is the same. It removes anything else that could have been in those two cells. All right, we got a pair here, a pair here. This is going to be a pair as well. It involves a 2 and something else. What is it? 5, I think. All right, and then this is going to be a pair as well. 6, 7. So this is the 6. Oops, not 6, 7. But the 7 does go here still. This is the 8. I got the wrong 2 digits, but 7 was correct, and this 7 still forced it there. So, all right. Anyway, caught myself. Well, actually, the conflict checker caught me in this case. All right. There's a lot to follow up on, but I want to come back up here. We didn't place any digits, but did we get any like useful pairings or? Okay. I think I'm gonna move on. Have I touched everything? I'm gonna move on to the next band. I think this band we've gotten what we can. If not, we'll come back to it. All right, I'm gonna start with the 4. Okay, all 4s are done. We do have 2 6s. That actually places the 6 here. Let's look at the rest of this row. It's down to 3. We need 1, 8, 9. So the 8 can only go here in the row. And this is a 1 or 9. Follow up on the 8. Let's put an 8 in one of these two cells in this box. These 2 8s. Okay, so that was the. I did the 6s are done. I did the 4s are done. The 6s are done. We have the 2 8s. It doesn't even matter that we have this 8. The 8's in one of these 3. Okay, that was 4, 6, 8. We also have 3. Yeah, we do have 2 3s plus this one. So it's a 3 in one of these 2. Sorry, thinking about something else. So 3, we got 4. We did 4 already. 2 5s. The 5 joins the 3. Nice. We have this 3 5 looking in along with this 3 5. So this is our hidden 3 5 pair. So nothing else can go in these two. So we want to think. Sometimes it's easiest just to think about what's left in these blank cells. If there's few enough of them to keep that in your head. So what's left is 1 2 7 9. So we've removed 1 2 7 9 from these two cells. So the 7 looking up now means that the 7 can only be here. That's very handy. It can't be in this 3 5 anymore. And so now that places this 7. Finishes the 7s for the band in the stack. All right. Now what was this 1 2 9? I'm just gonna fill that out, and the 2's in one of these 2. That does point, but I don't think I can use that right now. Okay. Take a step back. We did get this 3 5 pair, and that does affect the row. So the remaining digits are 1 2 8 9. Oh no, sorry, there should be one more. 1 2 7 8 9. So where's the 7 in this row? Yeah, we can look at these 7s as well. Places the 7 row. In fact, it's the last 7 of the puzzle. The last 7's always placeable. Any digit's always placeable. All right, I need 1 2 9 in the row. This sees 1 and 2, so this is our 9. And then that leaves 1 2 here. This is 1 2 8 in general. Okay. 1 2's 1 2. That's good progress. Can I follow up on any of these? We do have 2 6s here now. Puts a 6 somewhere in here. I'm just looking at the digits I placed. See if there's anything like easy vertical to do. Okay. Let's do this next band here. Okay, starting with the 2. Not much to do with 2. The 7s are done. We finished this. Every box is going to have a 7. All right, we got 5. Yeah, okay, so we already have it marked here. We just 7s are done. 8. 8 ends up somewhere in here, I suppose. And then 9 ends up in one of these two. Okay, I'm going to examine these corner marks carefully because we have the 8 and the 9. We have 3, 5, 6. Okay, so we don't have a hidden triple here. It looked like it was possible, but it does mean these 3 cells are quite limited, I think. You know what it might be? It's this column, 3, 4, 8. This can't be the 3 or the 8 here. So this is the 4. Gives us the 6 and the 4. Puts a 4 in one of these two, which joins the 5, making a hidden 4-5 pair. This is the hidden pair puzzle for sure. There's a lot to follow up on that, but I want to look at this 3, 8. Yeah, I mean, we know the 8's not here, so let's fill out the 8 and the 3 as well for the column. And now 5, 6, 9. Okay, what am I following up on? This 3 maybe? Puts a 3 in one of these two. 8s are done. Okay. I want to do this box in this row. I got the 4, 5 pair, so let's think about this row because that might be interesting. We need 1, 3, 8, 9. 1, 3, 8, 9. Well, neither of these are 1, and this one can't be 3. So 1, 3, 8, 9. They can't be 1. This one can't be 3. Always look after you mark to see if you got anything cool. This can't be 3, so this is 1, 8, 9. Yeah, unfortunately there are 2 places for 3. I said can't be 3 a couple times, so of course I'm going to look at where 3 can be. Unfortunately there are 2 places. This is 2, 3, 8, 9, and it can be any of them. Okay, this is 1, 2, 9 for the row. I just noticed that. A lot of these like almost 1, 9s and almost 1, 9s around the grid. It's interesting. All right, what is it that I haven't followed up on that would be good to follow up on, or something similar to that? So what I was saying about this box is, there's 5 digits left. It's the 1, 4. So the 4 I haven't marked, and actually I can. Okay, so 4 is up here. I think I have every digit marked, because I've got 5 digits left. I've got the 4, 5, 6. Oh no, I'm missing one. Oh no, the 1. I don't have the 1 marked, because the 1 can be anywhere. So basically this box, if we want to think about the center marks, it's whatever the corner mark says plus a 1. Because we have 4, 5, 6, 9 penciled. That's 4 digits. We have them cornered. And there's only one more digit, which is the 1. So this is 1, 5. This is 1, 5, 9. This is 1, 4, 6. Easy. A nice quick way to get that penciled in. I don't think it immediately helped anything. Trying to find something interesting here. Are there any low-hanging fruits I missed? Is always the first question to ask. I don't think so, but I also know this isn't 2 or 8. Because I've got the 2s here and the 8s here. So let's actually mark this up, because there's 5 digits left in the column, but if it's not 2 of them, then it's at most 3 of them. So we need a 1. Can't be 2, 3, 4, 5. Could be 6. Can't be 7, 8. Could be 9. Oh, can't be 9. Okay, so it's only 1, 6. Oh, and that makes a 1, 6 pair. That's handy. That means this can't be 6. And this can't be 1. So if this can't be 1 or 6, this is actually just down to 4, 9. So 1, 6 pair. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Yeah, that looks right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. These aren't 9. 2, 3, 4. They're not 5 either. So is it 2, 3, 4? I said 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. They're not 5 or 9. Okay. What's next? This can't be 1. Unfortunately, 7, 4, and 5 are already in the column. So it's just not 1. Oh, it's also not 2 because the 2's point. Yeah, so actually it's not 1 or 2. So let's do it. So it's not 1, 2. It could be, can't be 3, 4, 5. Could be 6. Can't be 7. Could be 8, 9. Okay. I'm missing something here. Is 4, 5 pair? Did that do anything that I missed? I feel like there's like something I've already marked that's going to finish the puzzle is my feeling, but maybe it could be one of these blank cells, but like I have so much marked. I guess I could look at this column. We do need a 1 in the column. There we go. That's helpful. How could I have spotted that more easily? I'm not sure that there is an easy way to spot that. This one takes it out of here. This can't be 1 for reasons I don't remember. Right, it was a hidden 3-5 pair. So this can't be 1 because of this one. We had a hidden 4-5 pair that removed 1 from here. We had a hidden 3-5 pair that removed 1 from here. And then we had a 1-6 pair in this row that removed 1 from here. That's insane, but it does place the 1. That gives us the 6. It also over here gives us 5 and 9 and 4 and 6 and 1. That gives us 2 and 5 and 1 and 6. Okay. Crazy. All right, that's 2, that's 8, that's 1. That's a 9. That's 2. We get the 1 and the 9 and the 2. We get, that was right? Yeah, 1, 9, 2. We get the 9 and the 1. We get the 8, 9, 1. It just collapsed the whole puzzle. Wow, that's a hard spot too. And because you have to have built it up over time. This 1-6 pair, the hidden 3-5, the hidden 4-5. Once you have that, then this is the only place for 1. It's insane. That's a 4. Sorry, I should finish the puzzle. That's 5 and 4. That's 3 and 5. That's 2 and 3. We get the 2 and the 6. All right, really neat puzzle today. I'm solved number 200. That I've been doing these late. I'm sorry about that. I like to publish these as early as I can, but I've been having to do these in the morning instead of at night. All right, cool. Well, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.